Okay, here's our test Doodle bot. Let me see if I can get this in. Oh, just gotta keep my marker. But yeah, it's definitely working. I imagine you can experiment with different locations for the motor. I'm just using blue painter's tape, which I really like because you can reposition it and it doesn't leave a sticky residue. And I put the rubber band on first and then wrap the blue painter's tape around so it kind of keeps the rubber band contained, and then you can remove or put back your wires as you need that. It might be kind of neat to try and flip this vertically, so then you'd get more of a like a sideways vibration. Instead of an up and down vibration, you might get more of a like a circle. Right now I'm just getting these dots because it's bouncing up and down so much. And you could also experiment with different lengths of hot glue stuck on the motor shaft. So like this one's about 1/2 inch long. You could go about 3/4, or it'll make the vibration slower, I imagine. But figure out how that works. Okay.